praise and make you mine, El Shaddai. Through your love and through your love, you saved the son of Abraham. Through the power of your hands, you turned the sea into dry land. Through the outcast on your knees, you were the God who releases. And by your might, you set your children free. El Shaddai, El Shaddai, El Elyon.